talaga sa bahay paloob. Sa loob ng bahay ni kuya, I really learned how to cook by myself without any assistant, to clean, and then I made sure na malinis talaga. Kasi ayaw ng mama ko na madumi. So I made sure na mabango yung aming basahan. Kaya yun, namimiss ko yun. Yeah. Love life or pag-aartista? You know what? Right now, if there's someone talaga that will make my heart like really, really, really happy, and this person will prove to me na deserving talaga siya to be given a chance, then why not entertain love life? Pero the opportunity kasi is here right now, yung pag-enter ng entertainment industry. I'm not sure nga if it's like there's something for me talaga or wala, kasi alam ko naman na ang dami nagtatry to be an artista, ang daming nagtatry to be singers or dancers. I'm not that talented naman, sakto lang. I can play guitar, I can sing, I can dance, pero hindi naman ako the best, di ba? So if yung whatever comes my way, then I will accept po. Pero as of now, yung pag-enter ng entertainment industry, this is where I am. And baka I'll find my love life here. We don't know, di ba? Pero yun, like whatever leads my way, that's what I'll follow. Magkano baon mo nung high school ka? 50 pesos lang po. Yan yung baon ko, 50 pesos. Kasi yung aming lunch sa school is 45 pesos. So yung mom ko, ginawa niya is 350 per week para meron kami extra 5 pesos lang. As in, 50 pesos yung baon ko papunta school. That's my baon. Tapos kasama yung lunch money. So, 50 pesos yung baon ko papunta school when I was in high school. And then yung aming lunch sa school is 45 pesos. But yung 45 pesos namin naman, meron na siyang soup, may vegetable na, and then a choice of pork, fish, or chicken. Pipili ka. So, with my 50 pesos, nakakabili na po ako ng, yun, yung aking meal na 45 pesos. Then, yung juice na Zesto, yung juice ba na 45, na 5 pesos, I have a set meal na 50 pesos. Yun yung aking baon, 50 pesos. Chuchuwain or tropain sa adult housemates. Na-answer ko na to. Pero, yun sila, mga jojowain at saka tatropahin. Actually, lahat sila pwede jojowain, pero pwede rin tatropahin lahat. It depends lang, whatever happens. Pero na-answer ko na to sa bahay ni Kuya. What are you grateful for? Everything. Even the fact that I am actually parang okay ngayon despite the fact na masakit yung arms ko, mabigat yung arms ko dahil sa aking booster shot kanina kasi kailangan ko ng booster shot nga para i-claim yung prize na nanalunan ko dito sa Kumu, yung Raco Laurel. I'm actually happy na yung health ko at saka yung energy ko bumabalik kasi every time I talk, I really have energy. I think that's how I know na parang introvert ako. I can be both, pero I think I'm introvert kasi gusto ko magdaldal lang. And then ito, hi Achi, my question is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? 5 years from now, I see myself being a successful person. I already have a clear goal or a clear career. Like parang clear set goal. Hindi naman set goal. Parang alam ko na, kasi right now, I'm a young entrepreneur, di ba? But then, 5 years from now, I'm not switching na. Kasi like every year for me is different. Parang nagbe-business ako, nag-fashion designer ako. Tapos ngayon, nag-Big Brother, nagpunta sa entertainment industry. So, I see myself parang in one place na hindi na ako papalit ng anong gusto ko. Hindi na ako mag-try to be an astronaut or to be a pilot. Guys, do you know, I wanted to be an astronaut before or a pilot. I actually signed up for Mars mission, pero hindi ako nag-continue. Pero legit, ang dami kong plans sa buhay. I also applied to be a teacher, an online teacher during pandemic kasi gusto ko lang may kausap. Wala kasi ako kausap. So sabi ng mama ko, sige nga, mag-apply ka na to be a teacher para may kausap ko. And I was so happy. I applied to be a teacher. Pero hindi ako natanggap dahil yung internet namin super bad. Kaya yung nangyari, fail. I didn't pass to be an online teacher. But then what am I gonna tell Zach? Naka-live siya. Let's not bother him. Naka-live si Sir Zach. Huwag natin i-bother yung tao. Naka-live daw. Let's not bother the guy. Nagla-live eh. So, let him enjoy his life. Kasi marami rin siya kausap. Mas madami pa nga than me ata. Wake up, it's in the bedroom. Okay. Next. Favorite food? You guys know this na. You know what? I really love lechon. Guys, sorry talaga, hindi ako nakapagsuklay ulit. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ako nagsuklay. Thank you, Miss Jess. Zach Bell Bodies, crush mo ba si Michael Ver? Ikaw, ha? Bakit sinasabi mo dito, Michael Ver? Hala siya. Tingnan mo. Sabi niya, Michael Ver. Gusto niya si Michael Ver. Sige, tawag natin si Michael Ver. Your song got me feeling like I... Let's call Michael Ver. Pero, hindi ba si Michael Ver busy? Sige, let's see. Michael's very busy every day. Like, hindi nga siya he's hard to reach. But let's see, let's call him. I'm gonna call him, Ay! Shucks! Okay, guys. I'm calling Michael Ver. Let's see if he's going to answer. I'm calling him. You can hear that. Diba? I'm calling him pa in Instagram. So, everyone, hoy Isa, ano daw? Verjoy! I'm very joy. I'm very joy to the world. Very happy. Very joy. Uy, siya. Mayroon na siya. Single yun. Pwede yun. Guys, wala. Busy si Michael Ver. Let me answer my other, my other questions na andito sa Instagram. Yung mga questions na binigay ng mga Instagram friends ko at saka yung nag-follow sa akin ng Instagram. Guys, I have a new picture. Sujuwain or natrapahin sila si Sujuwain. Lasi si Sujuwain naman talaga. Pero, before, we weren't close. Tatrapahin. Pero once I got to know him more, Sujuwain na. Kasi hindi ko siya kilala talaga noon eh. But I got to know him more and he's a great guy talaga. He's very sweet naman. Next. Favorite food, lechon. But ang pretty mo masyado. Hindi, sakto lang. Alam ko naman, sakto lang. Sakto lang naman to. Alam ko sakto lang. Kaya nga hindi tayo makajoin ng Miss Universe, diba? Kasi kapag pretty talaga, join yun sa Miss Universe. Hindi naman tayo qualify sa Miss Universe. Kailan po kayo babalik sa bahay ni Kuya? Miss na kayo ng lola ko panoorin. Hello, Kat Neil. Wow. Miss na daw ako ng lola niya. I hope I get to meet your lola one of these days. Yeah. Very soon po, babalik na po kami. So sana sabihin mo sa kanya kapag babalik na kami. Kasi very soon na po siya. Ilang tulog na lang. Ate Idol, ngayon, gwapa naman kaayo. Anong secret mo para ma-apply namin? Drink lots of water. Tapos, palagi ka mag-smile. Huwag ka mag-seryoso sobra sa buhay. Kasi kapag seryoso mo yan masyado, magkaka-wrinkles ka. Tapos, you know what guys? Life is so short. My gosh, don't stress about things na. Kasi, you know what? Ito. Sabi ng dad ko, if there's a solution, then, okay, do something about it. Pero kapag walang solution, don't stress about it. Move on from there and learn how to forgive. If God can forgive, why can't we? No matter how painful it is, you know what? It's also setting us free. Kaya it's important to actually forgive para we can also set ourselves free. Diba? Oh, my best friend is here, Luchi. My ultimate life best friend is here. And I'm sure she's here with Bianca. Bianca, I'm sure she's here. Oh, Bianca Tan! I even told Bianca, you know what, Bianca? We might not be BFF, but then yet I can consider you as actually one of my besties also. Even if hindi ako considered as your best friends. Because those two people talaga, they're the ones that, from all my friends, sila talaga yung andun. Like, ang daming supporters, alam ko. Pero from all my friends na kilala ko from before pa. Of course, the family were here. Family members were here. But like, from all my friends, Bianca and Lucci talaga, they were really there. And also, of course, my Ninja Turtle friends, they were here rin. From Catbalogan, they were also here. And my tour on buddies. But they were busy kasi with work and school. But then Winona also. Thank you so much, Winona. Okay. Here. Ate Idol. I hope ikaw manalo. You know what, guys? If it's God's will, then okay. Pero you know what? It's a one right. You treat the people well. And you have to be nice to everyone, not just to one person. And no matter what people will do to you, always throw them back with kindness and good parang acts. Kasi eventually, iisipin nila, loko-loko ba ako? Bakit ako, kahit anong gawin ko sa'yo, super nice ka sa akin. Kaya no matter what people will do, yun, don't throw them fire. Throw them kindness, candies, chocolate, and sweet words.